Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel your Amazon Prime subscription. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing I want to mention is I am using Amazon Germany, so if some of the text look a little bit different, that's because I'm using Google Translate built-in feature, so don't mind too much if some phrases or details aren't exactly the same. So the first thing we're going to be doing is, of course, opening up Amazon, and you're going to have to be logged into your account. Once you're logged in, we're going to be hovering over our account and list details right here, and then we're going to be going to the My Account option. Once this opens up, we should have the account option right here, and we should have a couple of different options below this. What we're going to be doing is clicking on the Prime option right here, which should open up some more details about our Amazon Prime subscription. Here we'll see our name of the account, how much we're actually paying every month for Amazon, when we're actually going to have to pay our next installment, and then finally the option we're going to be clicking on is Manage Membership. What we can do is click this Change Setting open right here, and at the bottom here we'll have the option to terminate membership. Here we'll be able to cancel our Amazon Prime membership. We're going to be clicking this button and we're going to be following down this flow right now. So the first thing Amazon is just going to warn us that if we cancel our membership, we're going to lose our benefits. All we have to do is say, I don't want any benefits right here. We're going to be continuing down this flow, and then Amazon is going to give us some more details and information about our account. Depending on when you actually cancel your subscription, how late into the month you are, you will have two options here. The first being you'll be able to cancel your Amazon Prime subscription, but keep your current month active. That means the current month you've paid for will be kept, but your membership will be cancelled from the next payment date. Or you'll have the option to end your membership right now. You'll be refunded your current month, and then all your Amazon Prime subscriptions and bonuses will end at the current date when you click this button. In this case, I actually want to completely remove my Amazon Prime. I don't want to continue till the end of the month, although you have the option to choose which one you would like here. In this case, I'm just going to be completely ending my Amazon Prime membership right now. Once this is done, your Amazon Prime membership will be ended. You'll know it's completely done when you have the option to upgrade now here, and that means you don't have to worry about any more payments for Amazon Prime. Of course, you can come back here and sign up whenever you would like, but it's that easy to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. Until next time guys, as always, keep it saucy, peace.